Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your own class organized by School of School Malkapur. So students, yesterday I given you some questions for your homework. Let me complete that questions. If you trace all six faces of a die, what shape you will get? Means what? If you trace the six faces, they are outlined if you make it. So of what die? Die is looking which shape? Square shape. So here answer is what? Square. So let's see your answers are ready. Question number 7. Your answer is square. Okay, after tracing it will get square shape. Now 8 number, all the sides of dash are in equal length. Squares having all sides are equal. The sphere has dash curve faces. Sphere is made by one curve face. So answer is 1. A cube as well as cuboid has 8 vertices. So cube and cuboid having 8 vertex. Okay. A scale is used to draw dash line, straight line. Yes or no? A cube has dash faces. Cube has 6 faces. A cylinder has 0 vertices. Cylinder don't have vertices. No, they don't have corner. It have edges too and face. A cone, a cone has one dash face and dash curve face. So cone has one flat face and one curve face. So students, backside answer is given wrong. Okay, backside answer is 1 and 1. So a cone has one face and one curve face. Is it not like that? A cone has one flat face and one curve face. Okay, if there any problem you can contact. Question number 15. Top and bottom face of cylinder are flat. Top and bottom faces of the cylinder is they are in flat. Okay, and now question number here of question number 2. How many mastics of the number you can need to make a rectangle? See, there already I explained here 6 also. Okay, there are two answers you can. For example, take example, we are using the same size mastics, then it will be used to make it. How much we need? 6. If the mastics are in different size, suppose these two sides are small mastics and this long mastic we take, then it will need only 4. So backside your answer is given 4. Okay, so here your two answer may come, 4 or 6. Such a questions are multiple answers they are having. Okay, so like that both answers are correct. Now in the question number here, how many triangles are there? That is okay. On the paper you can draw the square and triangles together without the lifting the pencil. See, a triangle, it said yesterday whatever the diagram I explained, in that two triangles we are prepared. Okay, so triangles, that if it is s is put here, so we can write that diagram. But now triangle is asked, so you can make square in this way, and back side also your answer is given, and you can make in this way also. So square and triangle like a some, what we say, that box. Okay, envelope, like a envelope you have to prepare it, not box. So understood this question also answer, and this question also, and question number 14. Now let me start the math lab activity. See students, for that what you need to draw such a square grids on your page, your notebook, where the activity you are doing, and it need at least two people to play this game, and we need two crayons, two color paints, anything. Okay, so in that I'm taking black and blue. So what you have to do it, the way of playing game is what, you need to just shade any two boxes in which you can prepare the rectangle. For example, player 1 is doing blue plane, so he is prepared like this. Okay, this is one rectangle. Okay, now turn to the black pen. Suppose second player, so he is preparing like this, he is preparing rectangle in this way. Okay, so you can use the crayon, and two players can play. Now again first person turn is come, so he is preparing the rectangle of 2 only, yeah? So for example, he is preparing like this. So your play game will be keep on going on. Means those person is not able to uh, prepare the rectangle, he lose, and those person having the more rectangle shaded, he is the winner of this game. Okay. And the rectangle should count in the 2 by 2. Okay. So like that you can continue this game. Understood? And you will feel very interesting while playing this game. Now who having chance last? Black pen. Let we count now how many people come share total number of rectangles. Blue prepared. Blue prepared, say this is one. Okay, two rectangles togetherly, one count is there. So this is two. Okay, after that this is three. Then it is four. Then five. Okay, so here one, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. So blue people prepare 5 and black person who has done that 6. So winner is 6. Like that possibility you can do it. Choice is yours. You can play by the 4 by 4 also. Okay, like two rectangles I used here. Blue is taking two more. Okay, you can use crayon. Understand? You can take more also. You can use you can play with the three peoples also, so you can use three crayons for that. So like that you can enjoy, and you will understand the concept of square and cube and how the cubes are preparing the rectangle, or you can say that square, how your squares are used to prepare the rectangle. Okay, so will you play? So let's hope. So see, here is the circle, that color boxes they used. Okay, so how many yellow are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow counts 5. And pink count 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also 5. Both are same. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both are equally knowing. Tie is there again. So like that you can play and enjoy your day. Okay, so all the best. Stay home, stay safe. And tomorrow there is a cycle test. You know that Thursday, not tomorrow, in next week. So already we have completed the whatever the completed chapter after the cycle test, that things will be comes after city 3. Whatever the portion we completed, that will come. Okay, for example, division part is there for city 3. Okay, so fraction and geometry, these two lessons are there for cycle test city 4. Okay, all the best. Stay home, stay safe.